Good morning, students. Now let us start with question number 11 of exercise chapter electricity. Very important question, beta. Show how would you connect three resistors, each of resistance 6 ohm, so that the combination has a resistance of 9 and 4 ohm. Means आपके पास 3 resistors हैं 6 ohm के, 6 ohm, 6 ohm, 6 ohm. Means how will you connect all these so that the answer is 9 and 4? Means if you connect them in series, 6, 6, 6, the answer will become 18. But we know 9, we need the answer 9 and 4. Means we should not connect them in series. Let us connect them in parallel. 1, 2, 3, 6, 6, 6. Let they are connected to the battery. Let's see what's the answer. 1 upon R equal to 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6. 6 LCM 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 upon R equal to 3 upon 6. 1 upon R or R equal to 6 upon 3 means 2 ohm. Still the answer is not correct. Means we have to search some other way to connect these three resistors. One more way. 1, 2, and let us connect one like this. One is like this. One more way I would like to tell you. One way means 2 in series and the third one in parallel. Let us see what is the answer of these. Means in series we have answer 18. If they are in parallel we have answer 2. Now let's change the sequence. 2 in parallel and 1 is in series along with these two parallel resistors. Means firstly let us calculate the answer of this one. 1 upon R equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, 6 LCM, 1 plus 1, 2 by 6 means R equal to 6 upon 2 equal to 3. Means answer of this portion is 3 and this is 6 ohm. 6 plus 3 is equal to, now they are in series. If they are in series, then we have to calculate, add them directly. 3 plus 6 equal to 9 ohm. Means our first part is over. It means in case of first part, this is the first part, means connect 2 in parallel and 1 in series. एक को सीरीज में कनेक्ट करोगे और 2 को पैरेलल में. This is the first part and the diagram is this one. Now let's means these two are not right according to our answer. Now this is 6, 6, 6. In series 6 plus 6 equal to 12. Now this 12 ohm and 6 ohm are in parallel. So 1 upon R equal to 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 6. 12 LCM, 1 plus 2, 3 upon 12 means R equal to, reverse it, 12 upon 3, 4 ohm. Means this is the second part. 2 in series and 1 in parallel along with this 2. This is the answer. And this was all about question number 11. Now come to the question number 12. Several electric bulbs designed to be used on a 220 volt electric supply line are rated 10 watt. मीन्स कुछ बल्ब्स हैं, हमें नहीं पता कितने हैं, उनकी पावर दी हुई है 10 वाट. How many lamps can be connected in parallel with each other across the two wires of 220 volt line if the maximum allowable current is 5 ampere? Means क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, इसमें क्या है 10 वाट के सेवरल बल्ब्स हैं. 10 watt, 10 watt, 10 watt, we don't know how many are there. All of them are connected in parallel. 10 watt, 10 watt means all these are connected in parallel like this. Now we are given that maximum allowable current is 5 ampere. Current is 5 ampere and the voltage is 220 volt line. How many lamps can be connected? Means voltage is 220 volt. Look here beta. हमें इन बल्ब का रेजिस्टेंस नहीं पता. अगर हमें रेजिस्टेंस पता चल जाए तो हम टोटल रेजिस्टेंस से कंपेयर करके उनको निकाल सकते हैं. सो लेट अस कैलकुलेट द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ ईच बल्ब एंड रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द टोटल सर्किट. नाउ रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ ईच बल्ब, we are having the power. We know that P equal to V square upon R. We have P, we have V. Because all of them are getting the same voltage as they are in parallel, we have to calculate R. So R equal to V square upon P, 220 into 220 upon power is 10, 22 into 22, 4840 ohm. Means this is the resistance of each bulb. इस हर बल्ब का रेजिस्टेंस कितना है? 4840 ohm. Now total resistance means resistance in parallel. क्योंकि पैरेलल में होगा तो सबका टोटल रेजिस्टेंस निकलेगा. We know that R equal to V upon I. Here we have V equal to 220. I is 5. 44 ohm. 44 is the resistance of the whole circuit when these are connected in parallel. Now according to the formula, 1 upon Rp equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R plus and so on. Suppose these are n bulbs. Now 1 upon Rp is 44, 1 upon R is 4840 plus 1 upon 4840 and so on. N times. Here also n times. Means 1 upon 44 equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1, it will become n upon 4840 or n equal to 4840 upon means number of bulbs equal to 110. If we connect 110 bulbs in series across 220 volt line, then the current drawn in the circuit is 5 ampere. This was question number 12. Now come to question number 13. Note it down better. I think you are having your notes also. Question number 13. A hot plate of oven connected to a 220 volt line has two resistance coil A and B, each of 24 ohm resistance, which may be used separately, in series or in parallel. What are the current in all the three cases? Beta, here we have three cases. Case 1, this is question number 13. Case 1, case 2 and case 3. We have two resistance. Firstly, connect them separately. दोनों जो रेजिस्टेंस का रजिस्टर है उनका रेजिस्टेंस कितना है? 24 ओम रेजिस्टेंस है उनका. एक बार तो उसको सेपरेटली कनेक्ट करना है. मीन्स हेयर रेजिस्टेंस इज 24 ओम. अलग अलग कनेक्ट करना सिंगल पीस एट अ टाइम. सेकेंड टाइम यू हैव टू कनेक्ट देम इन सीरीज. दोनों को सीरीज में से कनेक्ट करना है। तो टोटल कितना आ गया, R इक्वल टू 24 प्लस 24, R इक्वल टू 48 ओम। In third case, you have to connect it in series. This is in, sorry, series now in parallel. If both are connected in parallel, 24, 24 means 1 by R equal to 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon 24, 1 upon R equal to 24 LCM means R equal to 12 ohm. 24 by 2 is 12 ohm. Now the question is, what are the currents in three cases? You have to calculate current in all the three cases. Beta, we have V equal to 220 volt. Here also V equal to 220 volt. V equal to 220 volt. We have to calculate I. We know I equal to V upon R. So V is 220 upon R is 24. The answer comes out to be, but I have already calculated, 9.16 ampere. Now in this case, I equal to 220 upon 48. Here the 55 upon 12. The answer comes out to be 4.58 ampere. And in third case, I equal to 220 upon 12. .3 ampere. 3 by 3, 25, 3 is 24 plus 10, I think that's 3 ampere. Now you see here the relation between resistance and current beta. When the resistance was 24, let's say firstly 48 maximum resistance, the current was minimum 4.5. Now let us decrease the resistance from 48 to 24. Current increases. When resistance decreases, current increases. Again, now the resistance become 12 and the current become 18.3. Means current increases. Means when resistance decreases, current increases. Now let's do question number 14. Compare the power used in 2 ohm resistors in each of the following circuits. A 6 volt battery in series with 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistors, and 4 volt battery is in parallel with 12 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. Beta, listen carefully. We have to compare power. Compare the power used in 2 ohm resistors. Number 1, when 1 and 2 ohm are connected in series. This is question number 14. 1 ohm and 2 ohm connected in series. A 6 volt बैटरी इधर से कनेक्ट की गई है. ये 6 वोल्ट बैटरी है. आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? 2 ओम रेजिस्टर में पावर, इसके अंदर पावर कैलकुलेट करनी है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट केस. नाउ सेकेंड केस, when 4 volt battery is in parallel 12 and 2 ohm, means 12 ohm, this is 12 ohm, this is 2 ohm, and the battery is 4 volt. you have to calculate power here. बेटा अगर आपको पावर कैलकुलेट करनी है तो वो देखना पड़ेगा कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज होगा। अब आपके पास पावर के 3 फॉर्मूले, P इक्वल टू वी एन, P इक्वल टू वी स्क्वायर अपॉन में R, P इक्वल टू आई स्क्वायर R। आपको ये पता है बेटा अगर सीरीज में है दोनों को वोल्टेज अलग मिल रही है, हमें नहीं पता इसके पास वोल्टेज क्या है, हमें करंट का भी नहीं पता, हमें ये पता है कि दोनों को करंट सेम मिलेगा। वोल्टेज नहीं कैलकुलेट कर सकते कि इसको कितनी मिलेगी। हाँ करंट निकाल सकते सर्किट का, वो दोनों हमें मिल जाएगा। कितना मिलेगा इसको, फिर हमारे पास आई होगा, आर होगा, और आई और आर से हम क्या कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे, वी। तो है टोटल आर इक्वल टू 1 + 2 = 3 ओम, वी हैव वी इक्वल टू 6 वोल्ट। लेट अस कैलकुलेट power, P equal to, no, firstly we can calculate the, we have to calculate I here because in series voltage get distributed, we can't use V for both the cases, so we have to calculate I equal to V upon R, 6/3 2 ampere. Now P equal to I square R, I is 2 into 2 into R 2, because we have to calculate for 2 only. We will take only this 2 ohm, not the whole resistance, 8 ohm. Now come to this side, both of them are getting the same voltage, so no need of calculating I, because if we are supplying 4 volt, this is also getting 4 volt and this one is also getting 4 volt, so we can use this formula, P equal to V square upon R. What is V? 4 into 4 upon what is R? We have to calculate for 2 only, 8 watt. Oh, इधर भी watt आएगा बेटा, the unit of power is 8 watt. This is all about question number 14. Now next question number 15. Two lamps rated 100 watt, 220 volt, means lamp 1 power is 100 watt, voltage is 220 volt, and the second one power 60 watt, lamp 2 power is 60 watt and voltage is 220 volt. What we have to calculate, are connected in parallel to electric main supply. Current is, what current is drawn from the line in the supply, if the supply voltage is 220 volt. बेटा अगर पैरेलल में कनेक्टेड है तो सबको करंट अलग अलग मिलेगा, मीन्स करंट डिफरेंट होगा, वोल्टेज सेम है, so we have to calculate current in each case. We know we have 3 formulas, P equal to VI. We will use this one because we have to calculate I and we are having P and V. So I equal to P upon V. P is 100 upon 220, 10 upon 22 ampere, and come to this place, I equal to P upon V. P is 60 upon 220, 6 upon 22 ampere. Find out in decimal yourself. We can see here that here denominator are same, but the numerator here is more. Means current drawn by 100 watt bulb is more. Means जितनी पावर ज़्यादा होगी उतना करंट ज़्यादा खींचेगा। तभी आपके घरों में एसी वगैरह जब चलते हैं तो आपके घरों में बाकी अप्लायंस जो हैवी होते हैं, हाई वाट के होते हैं, हाई पावर के होते हैं, उनको एक ही बार में सबको नहीं चलाया जाता है। आपके घरों के अंदर अगर फैन सभी चल रहे हैं तो चल जाएगा, लेकिन एसी जो है सभी एक ही बार में नहीं चलाए जाते। तो उसमें भी देखा जाता है आपके मीटर की पावर कितनी है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग उसको चलाया जाता है। तो दिस वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. Which uses more energy? 250 watt TV set in 1 hour means question number 16. 250 watt TV की पावर है 250 वाट in 1 hour, टाइम 1 hour. और दूसरी क्या चीज है? टोस्टर 1200 वाट, टोस्टर 1200 watt in time 10 minutes. 10 minutes means 10/60 equal to 1/6 hour. क्वेश्चन में पूछा है कौन एनर्जी ज़्यादा कंज्यूम कर रहा है। एनर्जी का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है बेटा? एनर्जी इक्वल टू पावर इंटू टाइम. पावर इज 250 इंटू टाइम इज 1 hour means 250 watt hour. And here again energy equal to power into time. Power is 1200 into 1/6, 6 to 200 watt hour. अब देखो कौन एनर्जी ज़्यादा कंज्यूम कर रहा है? इधर 250 उधर 200 मीन्स अगर टीवी का आप 1 घंटा चलाते हो और टोस्टर को 10 मिनट्स चलाया तो उसने एनर्जी कम कंज्यूम की है आपके टोस्टर ने. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Now beta question number 17. Question number 17 is, the question is, an electric heater of resistance 8 ohm draws 15 ampere from the service mains for 2 hours. Calculate the rate at which heat is developed in the heater. बेटा rate at which heat is developed means rate of heating. किस rate से वो चीज़ heat हो रही है? तो we have to calculate rate of heating. Means rate at which heat is developed. That is heat produced upon time. Means heat produced upon time. In this question, we are having R and I. What is R? In this question, R is 8 ohm and I is 15 ampere. R is 8 ohm and I is 15 ampere. So the formula of heat produced is I square R upon T. We have T equal to 2 hours and 2 hours is equal to 2 into 60 into 60 seconds. So I square R T cancels with T. I is 15 into 15 into R is 8. This is equal to 225 into 8, which is equal to 1800 joules per second. So a rate at which heat is produced is 1800 joules per second. Now come to question number 18. Explain the following. Why is tungsten? Beta, we have I think already done all these questions. Why are conductors reflecting device? Why is series arrangement? How does the resistance of the wire? Why are copper? All the questions are already done in the theory. So go through them, and if you find any difficulty, you can contact me on my personal contact number. Thank you.